Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Hi, this is I am that dusky girl, and today I am going to talk about the books. So there are different genres, but I would like to start with the motivational books because everyone needs the motivation. Like I needed it when I wanted to restart my YouTube channel. So these are the books, and there are a lot more. I have lost most of them. I don't know, or I have given it to someone. But let me just talk about it. Even though I don't have those like all the books, but I'm still going to talk about it. So let me just start with the basic, which is Atomic Habits. You must have heard about this book like a lot of times. You must have seen tons of reels created on this particular book, and there are a lot of things which is going on about this book, and they have their own website where you can just go and check what all exercise you need to do. So my review for this book is it is so simple and understandable, because the minute you will start reading it, it's written in very easy language and you will understand each and everything. And the book talks about very basic things like how you need to take small actions, and how consistency is going to affect your growth, your career, and everything around you. So I'm not going to brief a lot about it because I have a lot of books. I'm just giving you a gist that this book is something, if you are feeling really demotivated and if you feel like nothing is working in your life, you need this book. Because when I was at my lowest, and I was feeling like I'm not able to earn anything, and I'm at my lowest and I can never earn, and all these kind of stuff, I started reading this book. And very small habits like waking up early in the morning, making your to-do list and following it, and believe me, the more you will tick what all you completed in a day, the more happier you will feel. So this is what I did, and being honest, I really love this book. Now coming to the second book is this, Surrounded by Idiots. So if you want to understand how each and every individual is different, you should read this book, because there are four different types of colors, as you can see, like four different types of human: red, yellow, green, and blue. And some of them are even mixed, like red plus yellow, yellow plus blue. So basically it's a personality trait of people. Like if someone is, sorry for the background noise, if someone is of blue color, what personality traits they have, and how exactly they react to a particular situation, and how well the red one deals with the situation, how well the yellow one deals with the situation. So it is account, if you want to know yourself, because I feel I come into the red category, not properly, but I'm a mix of red and green. So if you really want to understand even yourself, that in which category you belong, you should read this book. You will get an idea how on which part you need to work and improve yourself, and how you can understand the people. There's another book as well, How to Speak Like Pro something. I am not able to recall the name of the book. You can just go and check that as well. Now coming to the third book is this one, Mountain Is You. The Mountain Is You. So this is again a very motivational book. You need to, the more you procrastinate, the more you stay in the same situation, and the more you take actions, because at the end you have to take action, and you will have to work on whatever the thing and whatever is bothering you. You can't keep denying it or putting it on someone else. So the mountain is you will have to reach at the top of it, and you will have to work for yourself. So this book is really very good. I personally like the Atomic Habit and this one. And there's this another book, Ego Is the Enemy. So for example, if someone says anything ki अरे तू तो ऐसी है, या you can't do this, we take it on our ego and we start in anger we take action, and at the end we don't get the result. So my conclusion is ki at the end whatever they say comes true. Like whatever we do does not come true, but whatever they have said, it becomes true, because in anger we take action, and uske baad hamara result is zero again. So this books basically talk about, this book basically talk about how your ego is your enemy. You should, whenever you make a decision, make sure that you properly think about it. Don't use your, until unless you are getting benefit from someone, don't put your ego in between. So that's the way you can call it, being selfish. Not properly being selfish, but taking every step after making sure that this is right for you or this is wrong for you, like doing the proper research. So instead of keeping your ego in between, you should always think and take the step. So this is the main goal of this book. After that, there is another book which is Psychology of Money. I don't know किसको मैंने वो बुक दे दिया, बट दैट बुक इज़ सो गुड, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी बैड विद माई मनी एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड द बुक इज़ वेरी बेसिक. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड इट फ्रॉम योर डैड, लाइक द जनरल टॉक, like our parents tell us ki how you need to save money and how where you should spend. So basically what I do, I get the money and I go for shopping and I don't save a bit. So the books talk about how you should invest and where you should invest and how you can save the money and how you should take action whenever you get the money. So the book is very good. The book is really very good. I don't have it. I have given it to someone else at the moment. And there is this one last book which I really liked. If you are a woman and you are watching this video, you should read this book. And if you are into the business, so the book is The Art of War for Women. Is basically, you know, how as a business woman you tackle the situations and how you deal with, you know, hypocrites and the people who you know continuously put patriarchy on you and all this kind of stuff, and how you can, you know, gain and get acknowledged in your domain, how you can create an impact, how impressive you can be, that you know whatever you say and they do it. So the book generally talks about that. You should read this book. If you are a woman, you should definitely read that book, because the books really talk about how you should tackle in the business world, how you should focus on your business and how you should create your impression around the people. So the books talks about that. That's all, you know, that's all the book in the motivation domain, which I feel it's for my motivation I have read, and I would suggest for all of you to read it as well and give me your review, like if you like it or not. So these are my, you know, top 5 or 6, you can say top 5 6 books. If I have to reread them, I can. And mean, I am also, even, you know, if I'm talking about rereading, I'm rereading The Atomic Habit, because I again need the motivation, and this book is so good. So please start with this if you really want to. So that was all about the, you know, book collection, the motivational domain which I had. Now I have TBR as well, to be read. I have a lot. These are just 4. I have, you know, 10 to 15 more to be read. But yeah, these are the books I'm going to read next. And there's one more which is Butter. I'm not able to recall the name of the author, but you should read that as well. I'm in the middle of that book, but the book is the book is really very good. And if you want to, you know, get the more reviews about the book and provide your feedback as well, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm very soon going to review all these books as well, and all the other books. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. If you came, you know, till last, and if you watched it till last, thank you so much, and bye bye.